it's Angie from Chicks with Angie, and I am here at Barcelo Maya Palace. Let's take a look around. Barcelo Maya Palace is an all-inclusive family resort located in Riviera Maya. It is on a complex with 4 other Barcelo resorts. You will have access to the other 4 resorts, but the other 4 resorts do not have access to the palace. This is the main lobby where you check in. Here's the theater where there's evening shows and entertainment. Note it is indoors, so that does mean air conditioned. Here we have 2 of the restaurants. Reservations are required for the restaurants. You can make those on site, or if you have a large family, I can work with the resort to make those in advance. Here's the buffet. This does not require a reservation. At the Palace restaurants, you have unlimited reservations, so you can eat in an a la carte restaurant every night, and all the restaurants are oceanfront. Here's a view of the beach. You'll notice the palm trees. This does mean that even if your room faces the ocean, palm trees will interrupt your view. There's the water park. All of the Barcelo hotels do have a great splash park for the kids and the oceanfront pool. Here we are walking over the bridge to where the rooms are, and this pool is absolutely huge. It's one of the largest pools in Riviera Maya, and you can see the swim up bar there just in the distance. Here we are at 8006. This is one of the standard junior suites. Another unique thing about the Palace Resort is that the rooms can sleep up to 5. So you have 2 double beds, and then that day bed turns into a twin bed. So basically you take off the cushions and set it up like a twin bed. Here's the patio. This is considered a pool view, so you could walk out right from your patio to the pool. Large bathroom. The shower is next to the bathtub, so it really makes it feel spacious. And the mini bar includes beer and water. Here's the presidential suite, 8007. You see the half bath there. Has a dining room table and then a living room area. There's also a set of suites called the family suites. Those are very similar to this, but instead of the dining room table, they put a bed there, so you can sleep up to 5. Here's your huge patio. Now the presidential suites, which are for up to 3, are located near the pools. The family suites, which take out that dining room table and put in the bed, are located at the back of the resort, furthest from the beach. So you get more space, but you're further from the beach and the pool. All right, we hopped into a golf cart to head towards the Barcel Complex. So there's a large complex shared by all 5 resorts with more restaurants and more activities. Here on the left is the soccer fields. There is a soccer or football program here at the resorts. Now this is the mall. This is a complex shared by all 5 resorts. It is part of the resort. So here at the mall bar, your drinks are going to be included. At the restaurant, your food is going to be included. This is Strikers, the sports bar. It also has a bowling alley and then a mini golf course right outside. The bowling and mini golf do have an extra fee. There's a limited sports bar menu that's very fun. And then here is my favorite room, the stadium seating for when you want to watch your sporting events. They do show American sports. One is the teen disco. There's also an adult disco. This is the only place Wi-Fi is free unless you have a premium room. It's free every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is Tokyo, the Asian restaurant. Reservations are required, but it is part of your all-inclusive program. And then they have a cute carousel. Back there at Plaza Mexicana is a handicraft market where you can buy souvenirs. Here's Pirates Island. This is a water park in the middle of the complex. This does require an extra fee. You pay a daily rate in order to access the water slides and the flow rider and the splash park. Also in this area is the spa. I was so impressed with the spa. It is absolutely gorgeous. That little pink room that you caught a glimpse of is the Kiddie Salon. There were kids in there, so I didn't want to film anything, but it was so cute. Here is the wet areas of the spa, and then there's also the beauty center for, manicures, pedicures, getting your hair done. Here's the beautiful Bridal Suite if you're there for a wedding. This is a popular wedding location because of the different price points among the 5 resorts. Here's the Dolphinarium. There is a free dolphin show every day at 11:30. Otherwise, you can pay extra and do interactions with the dolphins. You can also rent jet skis here. Non-motorized sports are included, but motorized sports like jet skis or taking a boat ride to go snorkeling, those would be an extra fee. You can see the beach is a little bit bigger here if you wanted to head down here from the palace. Now we are headed back towards the palace along the beach, going in front of the other resorts. So you can see they're all connected by this beachfront walkway. So you could head from the palace back down, visiting all the different resorts. And that's Barcelo Maya Palace. What did you think? I want to hear in the comments what questions you have. And be sure to subscribe so you get notified every Tuesday when I post a new video. If you have any questions, you can reach me at Angie@tripswithangie.com. And be sure to request a quote and get my all-inclusive guide.